Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back for another plan with me in my HOBONICHI cousin for the last week of August into the first few days of September. And I will be using some of these supplemental stickers from the Lauren kit from Let's Plan It, but then I'll also be adding some of these florals from the Happy Planner that I really want to use up. Let's get started. Okay, so this one's going to be a bit difficult for me. What do I want to put? Now, to be perfectly honest, am I going to be tracking my meals while I'm away? There's a small possibility that I could be doing that. A very small possibility. But I don't know. So I wasn't sure if I would decorate the bottom, but I think I will do. And here we go. I love this. How to have a beach body. Have a body. Go to the beach. Yeah. Oh, I didn't mean to put it down there, but I guess it's going down. Then I'm going to actually use this washi from the daily kit and put it up here. And I know it doesn't fit here exactly, but I don't mind. And then I know this other one is going to be way too short, but again, I don't mind because I think I have a weekend sticker that I'm going to put over here. And actually, I decided, even before I was going to do that, I'm going to place a floral there. There we go. So I'm going to take, let's see, one of these florals. So maybe it was this. Up at the top here, and yeah, let's do, I honestly don't mind the fact that I'm going to be covering up where it says Sunday, because I know it's Sunday. Then maybe a smaller floral, like this one. This is not smaller, but I'll put this here. I'm going to cut that in half, and I love doing this because this way you have the benefit of really getting the most of the sticker and not losing any of it. And then there isn't this big bulky thing in the middle of your spread either. It's a nice effect, I think, anyway. All right, so that's done and that's done. Let's move these out of the way. Let's clean as I go. Then let's see here. Okay, so then for this next section, I'm going to take one of these stickers. Now, I just realized I probably won't have enough room, and I'm thinking maybe if I just cover up the calendar, then I won't care too much about not having enough room. So let's use one of these. Oh, let's not rip it. Cover that up. And then place this here. There we go. And I'll grab my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen and write in the word sleep. And I will be keeping track of my sleep score. Especially, I think it's going to be important to keep track of it while we are on vacation. Making sure that I am getting plenty of rest, leaving my body with enough time. Oh, no, not to Friday. It's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh my goodness. Leaving my body with enough time to recuperate. Because the last thing I want is to come back from a vacation needing another vacation. So I don't want to use one big one of these. I'm going to use one from is this too big to place here? I think it'll be okay. Yeah, and then I will write out the words work out. Yes, I definitely still plan on working out while we are on vacation, and I think it's going to be week 5 of the workout. So I'm using my Benu, which currently has Sailor Manyo Haha in it, and writing out the workout schedule. And this is the good thing about the cruise ship. It actually does have a gym, and I realized I have tons of room, so I really didn't need to put that so high up. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Why did I feel like it wasn't? Anyway, chest and triceps, back and biceps, and then Wednesday's a rest day, but I'll be doing cardio instead, and then shoulders, legs, and then we're disembarking on this Saturday, and then we fly back on the Sunday. So I won't be putting any workouts there for the time being. So what I'm going to take then is I'm going to grab one of these smaller florals and just placing it here just to take up some of the room so that it's just not a blank space there. Cute, 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 cute. So because we are on vacation, there really isn't much that I'm going to put in here because I don't have any preset plans for what we're going to do. So I'm just going to put down a flight sticker for the 4th, and then that there. Yes, we're flying back on the 4th. I decided that it would be better for us to fly back on the 4th rather than fly back on the Labor Day Monday so that we have some time to recuperate. So I'm going to take this. I can't decide whether I do want to keep track of meals because I'm not going to just be having 3 square meals a day. Maybe I can keep track of that in my daily spreads. I don't know, but I'll also probably keep track in here where I've eaten. I can't decide. And this is the thing, like this is vacation, right? So yes, I'm gonna eat. So let's see, I'm gonna make this easy for myself. I'm just gonna add something down here, just a small little thing. And then I'm gonna leave the rest of the spread pretty much empty because, yeah, I'll fill it out basically as the week goes on. This is probably the emptiest or the most before the pen spread that you will ever see here because this is vacation. I mean, we have a couple of plans, but most of it I probably won't fill in until we're actually there. So I'm really, really excited about this. All right, I know that seems really boring, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will show you guys I guess after the pen, when this is done. You'll be able to see an after the pen once I come back from vacation. So this is, I'll show you, I mean, I can't even show you an after the pen of that week yet because I'm filming this on the 21st. So just gives you an idea of how I'm using my spreads on a week-to-week basis. Again, that is it for me. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.